Hello chat, I'm streaming again, but I'm streaming a different game this time. So this is the first time that I'm not streaming Epic Battle Fantasy V. I'm streaming a browser game from Congregate. So let's see how it goes. I've changed the settings so that it should hopefully be showing a small part of my browser, and if anything else shows up on my screen, that's not intentional. So, anyway, I was playing this game and it was pretty fun, so I kind of wanted to share it with everyone. Because I felt like, why would I just sit there and play video games when I can multitask? And I can stream and play video games at the same time. So, anyway, this is it's an interesting game. I really like the level design here. So the goal is to, well, it's basically a platformer. And with your mouse you control platforms, so you can create boxes, and the goal is to get to the treasure chest with as little, by creating as few boxes as possible. So you collect coins, that increases your score, and making platforms reduces your score. So it's a pretty simple concept, but the levels are actually really cleverly made. So that's why I kind of wanted to show everyone. So these levels here I've already played, so I can show you the solutions. Like here, you would think the obvious solution is to, put a block here and a block here. But then you only get 2 coins, and then you try to jump and then you die, so that doesn't work. So you try it again, and then you figure out, oh, you can get the coins, right? But then it turns out, wait, you don't have enough coins, you needed 450. So 2 blocks is too many. Maybe you can beat the level with only 1 block. So how do you do that? Well, you do it like this. Did you see that, guys? I beat it with only 1 block. And then there's this level. The trick is that you don't actually need to make any blocks at all. So, yeah, that's the gist of the game. Like here, the obvious solution is this, use 3 blocks, get to the end. But that's not good enough. Let's try again. Let's try to only use 2 blocks. There we go. So anyway, I've been enjoying this game quite a lot, so I thought I would share it. And I've already beaten these levels, so I'm gonna try something new now. Let's go back to the main menu. So yeah, how many levels have I beaten here? I'm on level 33. So it didn't take me that long to get there. I've been playing for like less than an hour. So I'm just gonna continue where I left off. And I just unlocked a new item. I got the hammer, which lets me destroy blocks as well. But the hammer is more expensive to use than the block. So using the hammer subtracts 90 coins from your high score, while using the block only subtracts 50. So, I just used 2 hammers there, and that's obviously too many. That was too easy. So let's try this level again. How can we beat this by using less resources? So obviously we'd start by only using 1 hammer, so we can break this here, and then we can put a block here, and that way we only spend 140 resources instead of 180. And I think that's probably that was the correct solution. Okay, there we go. So anyway, I'm interested to see if anyone is actually interested in watching me play this, because it's not Epic Battle Fantasy V, but it is a browser game, and maybe you'll find it interesting, maybe not, I don't know. Maybe you'll find my commentary interesting, since I'm a bit more enthusiastic now, since I'm actually playing a game that I haven't made. So this is all new to me. Anyway, let's give it a go. So, alright, let's see. What do we get here? Okay, we got that level first try. That one was easy. You tried this game a day or 2 ago and you got stuck on level 15. Well, I've not been stuck so far. I've been doing pretty well. So far the difficulty is very suitable for me. Like, it's not too hard, but it's not too easy either. Most levels I do on like my second or third try, which is usually what you want. You don't want it to be too easy. Anyway, what am I supposed to do here? I can use the hammer to get rid of this guy, and then I can create a block here. Is that the correct solution? Okay, that gives me the first check mark, but I need to do better if I want the second one. So, what can I do here? Oh, I've got it. There we go. Yeah. So, yeah, I like this game a lot. It's the levels are very simple. They're very small, and it takes like 2 moves to find the solution. But you get quite a lot of different options to play with, and the solution's not always obvious immediately. But it takes a little bit of tinkering. Sometimes you have to figure out exactly how your character jumps. Sometimes it's like pathfinding. You have to find the most efficient routes around the level. But even though it's like it requires a bit of thinking, it's still fairly simple, so you don't have to think too hard. So it's perfect for me because I don't like thinking too hard. Anyway, so this one's easy. Okay, that was not the correct solution. I can do better than that. So, okay, I see what I'm doing here. Okay, there we go. Alright, okay, this looks a bit more complicated. Okay, so he goes down there. And I've already tried this type of jump before, and this guy will not make this jump. He cannot jump over gaps like this. So he'll just die. So, what am I doing here? If I get rid of this guy, then I'll be able to finish the level. Is that good? No, that's not good enough. Okay, so instead, oops, that was a mistake. I meant to put a block here. There we go. Okay, that only costs me 50 coins, so that's better than using the hammer. And there we go. That was the way to do it. So yeah, it's very simple game mechanics. Like, it's really easy to explain, but it's also really interesting to play. So I'm very impressed by this game. Let's see, what am I doing here? I have a feeling this was not good. 2 blocks. Yeah, I can do better. How do I do better than 2 blocks? Oh, is there any plot to this game? No plot at all. It's actually made by a Japanese developer, so the English is quite funny in this game. There's not a lot of English, basically just the instructions, but it's worded quite funny. Okay, that was no good. I'm actually not sure what to do in this level. Because how do I get out? Oh, I know. I figured it out. There we go. See, that took me quite a few tries, even though once you realize what the solution is, it seems really simple. So yeah, that's basically why I like this game. The puzzles are actually really simple, but they still somehow make you think for quite a while before you figure it out. What should I do here? 1 hammer should do the trick. Okay, I got that one first try. Do I accept people telling me the solutions in the chat? Yeah, if you want. Whatever. Like, you guys are a few seconds behind me, so I might figure it out by the time I read the chat anyway. So yeah, if you want to yell solutions at me, feel free. Let's see. Okay, that one was easy. Oh cool, new scenery. When I started playing this game, the music in the first few levels was starting to really annoy me. It was getting really repetitive, and I was wondering, is this game gonna have the same music for the entire game? Because that would get really annoying, but I'm actually quite happy to see that there's different worlds in this game, so the music and scenery actually changes. So I really appreciate that, even though it doesn't really make a huge difference to the game. It is nice to not have to listen to the exact same music for too long. Anyway, let's see what this guy does. So, I can't get up there now. Unless... Okay, let's see. Okay, that was good enough. Can I create levels? That is a good question, actually. Let me check. Let's pause this. Let's go to the menu. I don't think there is a level editor. How to play Hammer. No, there's no level editor, but there should be, because this would be a good game to have a level editor. Yeah, here's the credits. So it's some Japanese person. And I think it's only been translated to English and no other languages. Yeah, just English and Japanese. But yeah, a level editor would be pretty cool, actually. I wonder if they'll do one. But anyway, let's continue. The music reminds you of Kirby. Yeah, it kind of does, actually. Yeah, it's like the kind of seaside beach levels in the old Kirby games. Or the new Kirby games. Kirby hasn't really changed at all. All the games are basically the same. Anyway, I'm gonna have to use at least 2 hammers here, because I need to get out of my prison here that I need to get into where the chest is. So I think I know what to do here. So we smash that, and then we smash this one. I don't know if I can do it any better than that, but that looks like that was correct. Alright, this looks similar to what we've had before, except that's a bird. So I think this guy's just, he's not gonna fall if I make a hole. So what I'm gonna do is make a hole here, and I'm just gonna run ahead of him. There we go. Okay, that was easy. I wasn't tricked by the bird. Alright, this is interesting. Okay, I thought that would be a pretty wasteful solution, but I guess it was the best one. Alright, let's see. I can't jump over this guy. That's not gonna work. Using the hammer to get rid of him would be... Okay, I figured it out. There we go. Oh, no, wait. No. That's not good enough. Oh, that was good enough? Okay, I guess that's the way to do it. So, spikes are tricky, because you can't put a block on the spikes. Actually, let's see, can I destroy them? No, I can't destroy spikes either. So, that's no good. And as you can see, your guy is very good at jumping into the spikes. And I cannot control the height of my jumps. My guy always jumps the exact same height. So there's no platforming physics trick to avoid the spikes. I have to stop myself using a block. So what can I do here? Is that the solution? Yeah, that was it. Okay, that was good. I wasn't sure about that one. Alright, what's this? Okay, that wasn't good enough. Let's see. What can I do better here? Oh, there we go. How did I discover the game? Well, right now it's on the front page of Congregate, and it's also on the front page of Newgrounds. And it looked kind of cool, so I decided to try it. Its score isn't that high, it's got a 3.9 on Congregate. But I think this is one of the best platformer puzzle games I've played in the browser for a long time. So I think it's up there with, you know, other kind of famous Flash games that have similar gameplay. And I don't think this developer has published very much else here. I'm gonna have to look at that later and see if they've published anything else. But I don't think they have. So I hope they make more. You wonder if the bird would fly up if you put a block above him? I think the bird probably just went back and forth in a straight line, but I'm sure we'll find more birds later. You like my voice? Well, thanks, I guess. Alright, let's see. So, I need to use at least one hammer to get in here. I have a better idea already, actually. So I use my hammer here. And then I'll use a block down here. Okay, here we go. So a hammer and a block is cheaper than using two hammers. So that works. Oh, it's their first game on Congregate? That sounds about right. Well, hopefully, you know, this one seems to be getting reasonably good reviews, so hopefully they'll make more. Or maybe they'll make a level editor, because that would be cool. Because, I mean, I started playing this game earlier, but I was thinking, you know, it's a little bit boring just to play a browser game on my own, so I figured, hey, maybe I can stream it, and that would be a bit more entertaining for me and a bit more productive. Since sometimes I retweet browser games that I find, but no one really cares if I just retweet it. So why don't I, you know, do a live stream and show everyone? And I think that's working better because apparently 40 people are watching, which is that's a bit less than people usually watch my stream. But you know, it's a random game. It's not EBF5, so I'm pretty happy that anyone's watching, honestly. So I have a feeling that was not a good solution, what I just did. Okay, I didn't even get any of these prizes here. Alright, let's try that again. So how about two hammers? Okay, that's no good. There we go. That was tricky. Hello, new people in the chat. I am playing a different game today. I'm not playing EBF 5, I'm playing a game on Congregate. It's called Economical. And I'm playing it because I wanted to show everyone because I really enjoy it. The goal in this game is to get to the end by using as little resources as possible. And the resources I have are hammers and blocks. So I can destroy tiles with the hammer, which costs 90 coins. And I can create blocks to stand on, which costs 50 coins. So let's see. I can get up here. And let's see, what score do we get? Okay, see, I ended the game with I ended the level with enough coins to get all the checks. So that was a good one. Let's try this one. I'm just gonna fall to my death. So what if I do this? There we go. Okay, that one I did first try as well. Do I know how many levels this game has? It's not too many. I think it was like 70 or 80. So when I started, I was already on level 33, I think. So it's not a long game, but I think it'll keep you busy for maybe an hour or two. I guess we'll find out when we finish this stream. I'll be able to see how long it was. But yeah, most of the levels are pretty easy, which is what I like to see in a puzzle game. I don't want it to be too hard. What am I gonna do here? Okay, that was good enough apparently. That seemed quite inefficient to me, but okay. This does not seem very good. Let's see. 220 coins. Nope, that was awful. Alright, what can we do better here? What if we just do the really obvious solution? Okay, that wasn't good enough either. I have a feeling I have to go around. Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. I can go back the same way that I came. I don't have to go all the way around. There we go. I think that should do it. Do I know any good games on Congregate? Yeah, there's plenty of good games. Maybe I'll play more of them on stream. Like, you can find my user profile and just go through my favorites if you want. I'm sure I've written about them on my blog at some point. But yeah, maybe making a list of good Flash games is something I should do at some point. My favorites list on Newgrounds is a bit longer. Like, if you look at my Newgrounds profile page, you'll see that I've added quite a lot of games to my favorites there, so those are worth checking out as well. But it also depends what kind of games you like, because I mostly like platformers and shoot 'em ups, so like spaceship type shooting games. So I play a lot of those. What am I doing here? So I need to use at least one hammer. Okay, that was awful. Alright, let's see. This is not gonna work. No, I can't jump from there. I think this is even worse than last time. Okay, that was slightly better, but still not quite good enough. Unnecessary blocks, just use 2. You guys are trying to give me hints, but it's really hard to tell me exactly what to do. Like, how do you describe where I should put a block, you know? So even if you guys know the solution, it's going to be pretty hard to tell me exactly how to do it. I think this is the hardest level so far. Oh, here's an idea. What if I break a block up here? Okay, this should be it. But wait, how do I get rid of these guys? I don't think I'll be able to jump over them, but I might need to try. Ooh! Ugh! I can't believe I made it. I'm platforming with my left hand on the keyboard. It's not the best way of doing it. I haven't actually played Mardek. I haven't really played any Flash RPGs. So I haven't played Sunny either. Okay, so I can't put any blocks here. I'm gonna have to smash something. Okay, that one was easy. Pro gamer move. Yeah, that last level with enemies, that was pretty close. This one seems easy too. Did I do it right? Yeah, that one was easy. What level am I on? Let's see, level 58. Alright. Okay, we've got some birds. No, I haven't played Sunny. Should I play it? I don't know. Like I said in my previous stream, I don't really have much patience for like strategy and turn-based games. When I play like kind of shorts browser games, I prefer to play either like platformer and shoot 'em up action games or fast-paced puzzle games like this one. This is fast-paced because the levels are pretty short. And like if I mess up something, I don't have to spend too long thinking about it. I can just try again really quick. Anyway, how do I get rid of these birds? Okay, let's try this. 2 hammers. Oh, the birds come back. Okay, that was no good. So what else can I do? Well, I can't put a block anywhere. Oh wait, here we go. That's thinking outside of the box. You just started playing EBF3 again. Did you get bored of EBF5? I might have to stream EBF3 later, and EBF4, and all of them really, but not anytime soon. I need to take a break from those games. Let's see, what am I doing here? So it looks like I somehow need to get to the top, but I'm not sure how exactly. This seems very wasteful. Let's see, how did I do? Okay, I got the first goal. I didn't get the second one. No, that's no good. You don't have EBF5? Well, you can play EBF5 right now. It's on Congregate. It just released a few hours ago, earlier today. It's, I don't know if it's on the front page yet, but I think it's in, like, the Hot New Games section. So, maybe it'll get featured with badges in a day or two. Are Flash games no longer be playable on browsers after 2020? Yes, that is correct. But I'm sure there's still going to be, like, browser add-ons you can install that let you play them, so if you really want to play Flash games in your browser, I'm sure there's going to be ways to do it. What Newgrounds is doing is they ask you to download their Flash player, which basically just launches an application on your desktop that just plays the games for you. But it's still connected to Newgrounds, so you can still get like Newgrounds achievements and stuff like that, even though you're playing on your desktop, which is pretty cool. So it's basically the same thing as playing it in your browser, except it's not in your browser. And I don't know if Congregate will do the same thing. They haven't really announced what they're going to do yet, but I'm sure they have some kind of plan. Anyway, what's missing in the free version? Well, the main storyline is exactly the same. The only thing that's missing is all the optional dungeons and challenges and stuff like that. And there is a lot of optional dungeons. There's like, there's 8 dungeons now, and like over 20 bosses. So yeah, if you buy the full version, you get like 8 dungeons and 20 bosses and like extra challenge modes and collectible cards and other cool stuff. There's a lot of extra stuff. But there's also a lot of stuff in the free version as well. It's a really big game now. It's really big, and you should be pretty happy with either version. You'll be happy with all the stuff in the free game, and then you'll be happy to buy it afterwards, in my opinion. Anyway, what am I doing in this level? Have I played Fancy Pants Adventures? Only for like a few minutes. I know what the game is. I haven't really played it properly. I haven't completed it. Hello, new person. I'm playing a game called Economical on Congregate. I have to get to the treasure chest by using as few resources as I can. So I can make blocks and I can destroy blocks, and I want to do that as little as possible. So I'm kind of stuck in this level, because I don't know how to do it. But I have an idea. Okay, that was not good. Alright, okay, I have a better idea. So I'll do this, then I'll do this. Okay, 330. Nope, that's not good enough. Two blocks, 2 hammers. If I use another block, then I won't be able to get back down. Should I name my streams EBF Dev Plays? I don't know. I don't think I'm famous enough to make that work. It might attract, like, existing viewers, but I don't know if anyone new will actually care. Yeah, this game's called Economical. And it's on Congregate. It's on the front page, so you can go play it right now if you want. I was playing it, and then I thought it would be a fun game to stream. But now I'm stuck on this stupid level. I'm gonna come back to this level. I'm gonna do this later. There we go. Let's try something different. Okay, that was not good enough. Let's see. What can I do? Well, I'm pretty sure I need to destroy one of these blocks. Okay, I can see what I need to do. So I can use one hammer and one block, and that will be better than what I did before. Oh yeah, for anyone who's new, blocks cost me 50 coins and hammers cost me 90 coins. So I want to get all the coins and use as little blocks and hammers. What? That wasn't good enough? Really? Oh, okay. Here's a better one. Wait, that was no good. Oh wait, it did work. Okay, that worked. Okay, so that time I only used one hammer. So that was definitely correct, because you couldn't do that level without using a hammer. Game dev plays Economical. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, it's a new area, new biome, or whatever you want to call it. You can jump off the edge of blocks. In some cases. There's some jumps that you think you might be able to do, but you can't. So you're not. The platforming is not very flexible in this game. Like you cannot control the height of your jump. So it's all down to like problem solving more than it is about platforming skill. Anyway, let's see. Is this the best way? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, that was easy. Level 61. Okay, birds. It's a lot of angry birds. What am I doing here? Oh boy. This is not gonna work. Alright, what if I get rid of the birds and go away, bird. Okay, barely made it. Okay, that did it. Cool. That was tricky. Yeah, I quite like the graphics in this game as well. They're very simple, but they're also quite, like, nice. And like, as simple as this game is, it is pretty polished. Like, the music and the graphics are pretty good for something that you could make quite quickly. And I haven't encountered any bugs or any problems so far. It seems pretty well made. Anyway, let's see. Okay, I have an idea. Okay, that one was easy. Okay, so if I grab this key, I'm gonna be attacked by all these monsters. That was awful. Okay, let's see. What should I do? There we go. Is it possible to do this with less than 3? Because I definitely need to have a... I could use 3 hammers, but hammers are too expensive. I can't get back from this. No, I can't make that jump. Let's see. So, there's, what if I do this? Okay. Will this work? I'm not sure if I can make this jump or not. I'm gonna try a few more times. Nah, I don't think I can make that jump. Which means I need to use a hammer. Actually, wait, I have an idea. Can I make this? No, that's stupid. Wait a second. That's really bad. That was awful. 1 hammer, 2 blocks? Yeah, maybe. Let's see. What if I do this? No, that's still really bad. Do you know where I can find the soundtrack? Actually, I have no idea. You know, maybe someone's uploaded it to YouTube, or maybe not. Okay, I have an idea. No, wait, that was a very bad idea. That still doesn't work. I can't get up. Okay, there we go. No, what am I doing? Okay, let's try this. No, that doesn't work. I'm gonna come back to this level. I have no patience for this right now. How are things going today? Well, I launched EBF5 on Congregate. It seems to be doing okay. There was a major bug on launch. The game crashed whenever you caught a monster, and that's because it was trying to unlock one of the achievements from version 2, which isn't in that version. So that was my fault. I probably started programming version 2, and then I realized, hey, I should make a backup of this for the web version. So I think some code that's not supposed to be in there was still in there. But I fixed it, and I think it works fine now. And tomorrow I will put the game on Newgrounds as well. So you'll have the option of playing it in your browser, or using the Newgrounds player, which is basically an application for your desktop that just plays Flash games from your browser. So that might actually end up being a better experience, because I don't know if you might not have the save game problems if you do it that way. So maybe that's the best way to play the game, from your browser. Ironically, by not playing it in your browser. Anyway, let's see, how do I kill these guys? Now, that seems like a good move, except it's not, because I'm... Oh, wait, I know what I need to do, hold on. So, I destroy this, and I'm gonna put a block here, which will let me jump without killing myself. There we go. That worked. Okay, that one was easy as well. Minecraft, your favorite game. This is, it's not really like Minecraft. It's like 2D super simplified platforming Minecraft, maybe? Nah, not really. It's not really about building, it's about trying to build as little as possible. So you're like trying to avoid building. So, I don't know. Imagine if someone finds an insane glitch, like the duplication glitch in Skyrim. Well, there is a big glitch in EBF5 that I left in. It lets you teleport from any door to any other door in the game. I left that in because speedrunners wanted me to keep it in. I don't remember exactly how you do it, but you have to like save and quit your game when you're going through a door, and then you have to load like a different saved game, and then you'll just end up where you're supposed to be in the first game, or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, you end up in the wrong place after going through a door. And it's quite hard to do by accident, so I don't think anyone will accidentally trigger that glitch unless they're trying to do it. Anyway, I need to deal with these birds. This is gonna be tricky, actually. Oh my god. I think I had the right idea, though. Let's try that again. There we go. That was some tricky jumping. It's annoying that the birds come back after they escape. They fly off to the edge of the screen and then they still come back. That seems a bit unfair. I feel like they should just fly away forever. Oh, I have a better idea. Okay, let's do this, and then... No, that's not gonna work. Let's do this. Okay. What? That's not good enough? Nope. There we go. Well, the thing is that playing EBF5 without any glitches would be a really long playthrough, so it's probably not going to be very fun to speedrun. I don't think anyone wants to play for like 10 hours. Whereas I think the speedrun using the glitches lets you finish the game in like 1 or 2 hours, which seems much more reasonable. Oh, Kong has different languages, but the leaflet for dungeons are still in English. Oh, okay, I'll have to check that out. I don't know if I ever translated that part. If I didn't, then I'm probably not going to do it now. But I'll take a look and see. Something tells me that I did translate that, so I don't know why it's not working now. Or maybe I never updated the... Oh, that's probably it. Yeah, I probably never updated the translation. I think I translated that part and then I never put it in the game. Whoops, I better do that tomorrow. Yeah, I think you should just make a note that I need to update the translations in the free version, because I don't think I ever did that, and I was supposed to. But luckily, I made a backup of all the translation files before making version 2. So I do have the correct files somewhere. Yeah, I know multiple hour speedruns are a thing, it's just like, I personally wouldn't find them very interesting. Well, maybe. I'm sure some are interesting, but you know, I don't know if EBF5 is one of those games that would be fun to watch for 10 hours. All right, let's see. What can I do here? $420 coins. 420 blazes. I think that's how it goes. Does the Steam version of EBF5 lag as much as the browser version? It depends on your settings. Like, the thing that makes it lag the most is like the window size. So if you want it to run better, just use a smaller window size or a lower anti-aliasing setting. So the Steam version doesn't really run any better, but your browser might be slowing it down a bit. Like, I know stuff like saving takes a lot longer in the browser, but overall the performance difference should not be too big unless you've got some really weird browser settings that are making it really slow. Anywho, let's see. So there's spikes above and below. What am I supposed to do? That was no good. Okay. This level's kind of tricky. I can get to the chest, I just don't know how to get all the coins. Did I figure out how to manage the chat? I don't think so. What was my top game of the decade? Probably Minecraft. I think that's what I spent the most playing, most time. And I also had a lot of fun LAN parties with friends playing Minecraft. Mario Kart 8, I also spent a lot of time playing that, but it's not the most original game, it's just a sequel, so it wasn't that exciting. I did like playing all the VR stuff on PlayStation 4, like Astro Bot Rescue Mission and Resident Evil 7. Those were pretty groundbreaking games. Pretty fun experience. Can I block off spikes? No, I can't. It would be a lot easier if I could, but I can't do anything with spikes. I can't destroy them, and I can't put blocks on them. What if I do this? Nope. I'm gonna come back to this level as well, actually. No, wait. I haven't beaten it, so... let's just continue. The game's definitely getting a little bit harder now. There's still an easy level every once in a while, but I'm not beating them as easy as I used to. Oh no. Nah, I can't make that jump. Have I tried Kenshi or RimWorld? Nope, I don't really know anything about those games. Yeah, I do like horror games. Not all of them. I do like it when they give you a gun. Like I wasn't too keen on other. Well, I did play Soma, and you're pretty defenseless in that game. That's a pretty good game. I think Soma is one of my top horror games ever, along with Resident Evil 7 in VR. What am I supposed to do here? Shh. I just fell to my death anyway. Oh crap, I forgot. I have a cider next to me and I haven't been drinking it. Whoops. What is the solution to this level? I have no idea. Huh, okay. I made some progress. Okay, here we go. I hope that's good enough. Yep, okay, that was it. That level was pretty hard. Okay, that one was easy too. Oh look, it's more birds. Is EBF over now? Well, I've got a lot of work to do before I make any new games. Well, I have to finish putting EBF on browser, on Congregate and Newgrounds. That will be hopefully done in a couple of days. And then I have to try putting it on more stores, like maybe GOG and Humble Store. And I have to finish version 2 because it's not quite finished yet. It's almost finished. I have a lot of things that are almost finished, but not quite. But once that's all done, I'm gonna have to update all of my old Flash games and put them on Steam. Which, that shouldn't be too much work, but it's gonna take a couple of weeks. And then after that, we'll see, maybe I'll try making EBF5 work on a mobile phone. But no promises there. I'm not sure how well that's gonna go. Ugh. How do I get past these birds? Can I get past these birds? Is it possible? Or are they just positioned in a way to make it impossible to get past them? I think I'm not gonna get past these birds. I'm gonna have to smash something. Wow, I missed a coin. Whoops. But I think one block is, I hope that's good enough. Because I don't think I can do this without using any blocks. Oops. How did I do this the first time? Okay, let's try again. Okay, there we go. Have I ever tried to make EBF inspired mods for other games? No thanks. I'm gonna let someone else do that if they want to. I don't see the point. Okay, that was no good. Let's see. What can I do better? Whoops. Okay, 2 blocks. I don't think I can do better than that. What was the reason for starting the story again in EBF 5? Because you can't really continue a story like EBF 4's where all your characters are already fully leveled up and they've already done lots of crazy stuff. I think it just made much more sense to start it again when it comes to telling a good story. Plus, that also means that people don't have to play the older games if they don't want to. They can just start with number 5. So it just seemed like a much better way to do it. Any chance for an EBF 5 discount? No, actually, the price is going to go up soon when version 2 is out of beta. The price is going to go up to $20. So it's actually on discount now. But if you own Bullet Heaven 2 and EBF 4, then you get 20% off EBF 5. So that's something. Can I do better? 1, 2. I used 3 hammers and 2 blocks. But let's see. What can I do here? And I can't put any blocks where there's coins, so that kind of limits what I can do. I think this is slightly better than before, I think. Not good enough. Yeah, the mobile version, I don't know how that's gonna go. It just depends on whether I can get the performance to be good enough, because the game already runs on phones. It just doesn't run very well. So I'll need to see what I can do. Hold on, I have an idea. What if I do this? No, that's no good. Because I can't get up. I think that's what I did the first time. It's not easy. No, that's the same thing I did before. No, it's not. This doesn't even work. I can't get out of here. I'm gonna come back to this level. Oh, I'm almost at the end of the game. So I've skipped 3 levels so far, so we'll see if I finish those later or not. Wait a second. A hammer uses 90 coins, and okay, I get 150. I feel like there's gotta be a much better way of doing this level. Yeah. There we go. I think that's what I was supposed to do. Yeah! Alright, I'm almost done. Now, let's see, how do I deal with birds? Always birds. Can I jump over these birds? No, I can't make that jump. Oops. So the question is, can I do this with less than 2 blocks? Apparently no. Apparently that was what I needed to do. Strange. I feel like there should be a way to do that level easier. I wonder if some people have figured out better solutions than the developer did. There's a scoreboard for this game, so at the end we can see how my score looks compared to other people. No, I'm not gonna make Frinna a playable character. Because I'm not gonna write another person's character for them. If I'm gonna write dialogue for a character, they have to be my character, so I can do whatever I want with them. Otherwise, that's no fun for me. Anyway, I think I did badly on this level. All right, let's see. What can I do better? Oops! Jumped right into the spikes. Okay. There we go. That's only 2 blocks. No! Okay, I think this is the last level. Okay, that's a lot of coins. Oh boy, how do I get all the coins? Well, I definitely don't need to use a hammer, that's for sure. How many blocks can I jump? I can jump 3, okay, cool. So I should be able to do this. No, no! Oh boy. Oh, I can't get this coin here. Oh, it's so lame. Nope, can't get it. Oh, I got it! Cool! That was lucky. Or, rather, that was very skillful, actually. So, this attempt's actually much better than my previous one. I've only used 3 blocks. But I'm gonna have to put another one down here. Alright, let's see how I did. Yeah, not bad. Okay, let's see. Let's check my high scores. Oh, yeah, you guys can't see them. Cause yeah, they're off screen somewhere. What if I do this? Okay, there we go. Let's see. Let's see these high scores over here. Levels completed, total coins. Where am I? So my score is 41,400. and it looks like the top score possible is still quite a little bit higher. But I haven't gotten every level 100% yet. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people have done better than me. Okay, I'm number 55 in the leaderboards. So, let's see if I can do better. So, let's see, I skipped, I skipped 4 levels, okay. So I guess I can try to do those on stream, but if I get stuck and frustrated, then maybe I'll just have to end the stream. YouTube is recommending that you watch my One More Final Battle Flash. Well, okay, maybe you should. I don't know. I mean, if YouTube sees that you're watching my stuff, then it's probably going to recommend my other stuff. I think that makes sense. And that One More Final Battle one is pretty popular on YouTube. I think it's got over 100,000 views, which is, well, a lot more than most of my stuff. Anyway, are you guys ready to watch me fail? That was awful. 3 hammers, huh? Okay, I need to do better. Oh yeah, oops, my setup's a bit wrong now. You can see a bit of the scoreboards. Oops. Whatever, I'm not gonna fix that. I don't know how to do that right now. Anyway, this level is driving me mad because I have no idea how to do this. These platforms are arranged in such a tricky way that I can't get back up using blocks. But I need to use blocks because the hammers are too expensive. I think 2 hammers and 1 block is probably what I need to do. I feel like I really need to be able to make this jump here. But I don't know if that's possible. And even then, that's not going to be enough, because that's 2 blocks and 2 hammers. Or, no, that would be 4 blocks, actually. Nah, I'm pretty sure that's impossible. I've played Super Meat Boy. That's not a puzzle game, though. I've 100% completed Super Meat Boy, and that's a totally different type of game. There's no puzzles in Super Meat Boy. Let's see. And it's not so much that the levels are too hard, it's just like I'm under pressure because people are watching me play. I really feel like the key has to be gained with a hammer, or else I just can't get back up from there. What? One block. It's possible with 2 blocks and 1 hammer? Yeah, that's what I think, but I don't know how. Oh, that was it. Okay. 3 blocks and a hammer. Would I say that one of my EBF games are in the top 10 Flash games of the Flash era? Yeah, probably, but I guess it depends what kind of games you like. Anyway, that's 3 more levels to go. Alright, let's see. Oh, this one. Yeah, I have no idea what to do here. But then again, I only really tried one idea, and that was this. Alright, what can I do? No, you can't break the spikes. There's nothing I can do about the spikes. They have to stay where they are. What am I drinking? I'm drinking Sutsma, which is some kind of Swedish cider. Well, I did 2 hammers and 1 block in this level, and that wasn't good enough. Yeah, that wasn't really good enough for anything. Can I break the blocks above the spikes? Yeah, but it doesn't do anything. Yeah, I can't fall through the spikes from above either. How to get the coins? This level is all blocks, no hammers. Really? But I don't know how I can do it with only blocks. Well, that was better than before. Oh, I have an idea. Oh. Is that it? Yeah! That was surprisingly easy. I don't know why I didn't think of that sooner. Okay, let's see. How's my score? Oh, it's not updated. Psh. I'm still at number 55. But you guys can now copy my stream and then copy my high score. So that's not fair. If you guys play this, you're gonna know all the solutions already. Alright, this level. This horrible level. I spent quite a long time trying to figure this one out. Ha, I'm not answering that question. Well, she obviously didn't she didn't bang anyone in the group. That's for sure. Three hammers, one block. That seems too expensive. Yeah, I can do better. Let's see. Whoops. Hey, what's happening? Okay, I don't know why. My guy just wanted to run to the left for some reason. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay, that was it. That wasn't too hard. Has my score updated? No. Okay, whatever. Does my score only update when I get to the end? Alright, one more level. Yeah, this one. This one was really hard. Oh, I have an idea, actually. There we go. That seemed actually pretty easy now. I don't know why I didn't think of that sooner. Yeah, there we go. That seemed pretty easy. So that's me got gold in every level, but That doesn't necessarily mean that I've done every level as good as I can, but I'm not gonna do that. That's for other people. Alright, now how do I make my score update? Let's see. How to play? No. No. I'm just gonna beat the last level again, I guess. Maybe that will update my score. And last time I did this one with 4 blocks. I wonder if I can do it better this time. Psh, not with that attitude. I don't know if this one is possible with less than 4 blocks. And I think I've already messed that up anyway. But it doesn't matter actually, because I just have to finish the level. I don't have to get a high score. Because my score from before still counts. Alright, okay, here's the leaderboard. Perfect cleared, 80-80, playtime. Okay, what's my score though? Why is it not updating? Oh, is it updated now? Okay, I'm number 35. Okay, there we go. Oh, I messed up the camera, sorry. Anyway, I'm number 35, I beat the game, I showed you what I wanted to show you, so I guess that's the end of the stream. So maybe next time I'll play some other game from Congregate or wherever. If I find something cool, then maybe I'll stream it for everyone. Because it looks like a decent amount of people stayed around to watch. So I'll see how many views this video gets afterwards over the next few days. Will I ever webcam? No, because then I can't sit and pick my nose while I play. And I don't want you guys staring at me. And like judging how bad my posture is. And I've got nothing behind me either, I just have closets behind me, so that there's no bookshelf full of interesting items, so it wouldn't make for a very good webcam. Anyway, yeah, I really enjoyed playing this, and I had fun streaming it as well. This is like the perfect game to stream because I can take a break anytime I want to look at the chat. And not every game lets me do that. Like if I was playing an action game, I wouldn't be able to read and play at the same time. Unless I had like chameleon eyes or something. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It was 1.5 hours, which is much more reasonable than my EBF5 streams that seem to never end. But oh yeah, the other thing is that I'm not giving away any Steam keys this time, so the title doesn't say Steam key giveaway in it, so maybe that's part of the reason why less people showed up. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll probably see you guys next time. When that will be, as usual, I have no idea. So, see you later, and have a good time with whatever you're doing.